If you're wondering what you could say to your guy to get his attention, I think I can help you. Welcome back to Living Your Story. I'm Coach Keith, here to inspire you, to inspire those around you through the creation of the best videos and coaching tips. Okay, so I want to share with you 52 attention-getting phrases you can say to your guy. Now, be sure to watch until the end because I have a few bonus phrases for you as well. Now, the only rule is that you can't just say it, you actually have to mean it. Now, notice that most of these 52 phrases, they're not about his looks, right? They're about who he is and what he means to you and what you've noticed about him. So while looking good to you it's important, it's also easy to kind of talk about those things. So look, the difference between you and someone that compliments his looks is that you're complimenting the things that actually make him attractive on the outside, which is what he has on the inside. All right, so let's get into it. I love the way you look at me when you say my name. I don't know, it's something about it just gives me butterflies. Or I appreciate the way you do things without me having to ask. Some guys just don't seem like they care. Or I can't imagine how my life would have been without you. That's a good one. Or the way you always make sure I'm okay makes me feel special. Or I feel like I'm the only girl in the world when I'm with you. Or I love seeing you in those shirts. Whew, those muscles. Or I like going places with you. I love how well you put yourself together. You make me look good, boy. Or wow, no one's ever done that for me before. Or wow, no one's ever said anything like that to me before. Or I would follow you to the moon and back. Or how did I get so lucky to get a guy like you? Or whoa, now that was a kiss. Or oh yeah, you, all that right there, that's mine. Or oh, I don't think I can let you go out of this house. You looking too good. You staying here. Or there's something about you. I can't get enough of being close to you. That's a good one. Or, you know, you play with it in your hair like y'all do. I woke up thinking about you this morning. Or I hope I find you in my dreams tonight. Or I want to help you start that business that you told me about. How can I help you? I believe in you. Or I've never loved anyone like this before. Or just hearing, I'm all in. Or thank you for always making me feel important. Or I'm so proud of you. Or look at you. Have you been working out? Or will you help me with this, please? You know how y'all look at your guy. Or you're such an awesome man. Or how did you do that? Show me that again. Or how did you get to be so talented? Or I want to take you out on a date. Or no matter what, boy, I got you. Or I love you more. Or how can I love you better? Or what do you need from me? Or I want to grow old with you. Or you're the best at fixing stuff. Oh, you know, y'all get excited. Excites us. Or, you know, the passionate, I want you right now. Or I just like to hear you talk. I'm sorry, could you repeat that for me? Because I'm listening to what you said, but you're such a distraction because, whew. Or just a plain old, I'm proud of you. Or I made reservations for you and the fellas. Or I just love your mind. Or will you fix this? And I want to watch you because you're sexy when you fix stuff. Or you're the best listener ever. Or how do you know so much? You're like my personal Google. Or you're so thoughtful. Or I appreciate the way you treat your mother. Or I love the way you lead. Or why are you so damn sexy? Or I cannot get enough of your smile. Or you make me feel safe. Or you always smell so good. Or boy, you so funny. Or you are the best cuddler ever. Or you sure know how to make me feel like a woman. All right, so here we go. Here are the bonus phrases, right? So what I want you to do is look him in the eyes and grab him and tell him, make love to me now. Or come and give me some of that. Or I'm ready for you. Or you just go for it. Alright, so if you found this video to be of any benefit or you had some laughs and it was funny to you, hit that like button for me. If you've not yet subscribed to the Living Your Story family, hit that subscribe button for me, as well as that notification bell so you can know when the next videos are coming. Thank you for watching the Living Your Story channel. This is Coach Keith. I'm out.